How to choose a plant-based meal fast and easy? Well, there are two things you can do. You can order online and get the home delivery box of goodies plus the recipes. Now I know that this is a trendy thing now. People are doing that. Or you can order online pre-cooked packets for vegetarian, specially designed for vegetarians and vegans. Now you can make the choice of, but if you get the home delivery, the weekly home delivery box of goodies, they give you the products such as nuts and seeds and the fresh fruits and veggies of the seasonal things that they get, and then they have the recipes designed for you to use those ingredients and cook at home. That is all very good too, because there will be a lot of non-vegetarians or non-vegans would actually experience some really yummy delicious food that you can cook at home according to the recipes and the produce that they have already sourced for you. That's really convenient and it's easy to do. All you have to do is just follow the steps in the recipes. The downside, they are expensive and you don't have the control over what sort of ingredients that you want in your cooking, because it's all pre-made, pre-packed, and you have to use that. For the convenience, for the beginners, if you run out of ideas, this is a way that can fast track you to cook beautiful meals at home quite easily and simply, because all you have to do is just follow the recipes. And the other one is to buy the pre-cooked meals, whether it's frozen or dried. All you have to do is pop in the microwave or the oven to reheat them. Downside is sometimes they are too dry, sometimes they're too soggy, and you can't control the quality of the result. So these are the things that for the beginners to understand, to weigh the pros and cons, whether you want to spend more money, save your time to research, figure out what to cook, or you want to go out to explore and find out from really simple, easy ingredients and just do one thing at a time. And you can ask your families and friends, look at simple recipes that you can follow and then expand from that. So this week, let's think about the fruit veggie boxes that they can save you time and energy but cost you money, or the pre-cooked meals that sometimes it's not really giving you a good result. So give me your comments below or ask me any questions. If you don't ask, I don't know. I'd like to hear from you. Until then, be well, be happy. This is Missy Grace.